Hey y'all, this is the 2025 Salem 27RK. I want to take you on a tour. Look at these brand new bar lights. They're so nice. We've got this big pass-through storage, and if anybody gets this camper, the light switch is just like right around here on the side. This is a big dual axle camper, and there is a outdoor kitchen right there. So I'm going to put this slide in and I'll show you in just a second. Hey y'all, I just want to show you this outdoor kitchen real quick. Big griddle. Place for outdoor, I don't know, beer. Seems like I talk about beer a lot lately. Big dual axle. All right, y'all, we are inside the Salem 2025 27RK. Just look at the finishes and the space in this couple's coach. New design, plenty of space, lots of room to entertain. So over here we have the Versa Lounge. So this back piece here can turn around and flip and drop. This is a jackknife sofa, so you've got space here. We'll talk about the dinette in just a minute, or the eating area in just a minute. But you've got these two chairs here, reclining chairs, theater seating. Great space here also for entertaining. So you can be back here cooking, entertaining your friends on the campsite. And you got plenty of room to still be part of the action. And everybody's got a great place to sit. So let's talk about this. So one of the pieces of feedback we've been getting, and I'm sure Salem has too, Forest River, is that the booth dinette in a couple's coach is kind of a waste of space. So they have come up with this idea, which is a combo desk eating area. So if you look over here on the right, we've got these two stools, which are still strapped in for transport. But then you've got this centerpiece, and this centerpiece slides. You may not be able to do with one hand, but it slides. There we go. So if you want an L-shaped desk, you want to work, maybe put a laptop here, a little printer, you've got plenty of room. If you want it in the center like it was, so that you can sit on both sides, also no problem. And if you want seating for four, you move these two stools to this side, you take this piece of the Versa Lounge, turn it and drop it, and now you've got seating for four at a dinette type space, but it's not the dinette, it's super versatile. As we look back here in the kitchen, look at all this counter space back here on the left. Coffee maker, air fryer, anything you want can go back there. Plenty of spots, deep space with the plug and a light. Up here on top, got storage on each side, and it's deep, so it goes through and you can reach it from both sides. This is the new 2025 feature, is the microwave hood cover, which I really like. Just a nice touch. This camper's got a 3-burner stove with an oven. We've got storage back here. And then look here. We've got drawer storage on this side. So utensils, knives, forks, spoons, anything. You've got those 3 stacked. More counter space here. Both sides here with open cabinetry. Big double deep sink, residential style faucet. And then over here on this side, you've got that spot for your trash can. Don't know where the trash can is, but we'll get one in there soon. You've also got a pantry back here. So look at all the space. You've got space up top for smaller boxes, cereal boxes. I mean, you can even put towels and linen down there if you wanted to, although you've got space up front to do that. So as we move here into this area, back in the living area, check out the entertainment space. So you've got shelves up top, 2 little shelves here. You've got your TV board. You can pull this out, put this on your TV, and then take this piece outside because there's a bracket on the outside of the camper. You've also got a fireplace. You've got a little shelf there, and then you've got storage on each side. Let's move up here towards the bath and the master area. So Salem has done these new curved pieces. Now I did get some feedback on our YouTube channel that some people don't like this, but I really like it because you've got the softness. It kind of looks like a cruise ship. You've got the soft one back there, the little arc there. And then what they've done here in the bathroom is you've got this mirror, but you've got light behind it. So they added light that's subtle, that's not overhead lighting. You've got a counter space here, storage here, towel storage underneath, big shower. Y'all know I like these. Skylight, so you got plenty of room. So easily somebody 6'2" or so could fit in here and even get their head washed. You've got the water heater settings, but no water heater itself, hot water on demand. Here's your control center. So look at this. You've got a solar panel. So this will keep your batteries charged. Solar's on board and ready to go. Here's your JBL connection. This does your speakers on the inside and the out. And of course your control center for all your tanks and your lighting, your awning, and your slide. All right, as we move back here, actually up here into the master area, this is the Custom King Versatilt bed from Salem. I love this idea because you get a bed that's big to sleep in, but it doesn't, it doesn't interfere with your day-to-day moving around. So on this right side, what they've done, they've gotten rid of the wardrobe style storage and they've put shelves in. And then down here we have what's called the pet step. Each side has a USB A and C and plugs. We've got overhead storage on each side. Whoops! Overhead storage here. The left side here has still got the wardrobe. So you got the wardrobe with the hanging rack. You got more shelves, and guys, I love this little laundry chute. We've got 3 shelves on this side. We've got one on top, one on the middle, and one on the bottom. And the one on the bottom back there in the corner is the one that's got the plug and the USB A and C. TV backer. Your connections are here. Look at this. Got a closet. But not only do we have a closet with wardrobe hanging and a shelf, we've got a washer dryer hookup. So it's ready for a stacked washer dryer, which is a very big ask in a couple's coach. This 27RK has all of the things that a couple needs. You can camp in style. You can entertain your campground mates and your friends. You can take your friends with you because this does become a bed. So you've got separate sleeping up front. There's just so many features in this 27RK. Y'all, thanks for tuning in to watch the video tour of this 2025 Salem 27RK. Brand new, tons of features, just beautiful. Now remember, if you click over here, you'll be taken to a playlist of other couples coaches. And if you click over here, you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel. Y'all, our subscribers are growing, our channel's growing. We love our subscribers. So tune in and you'll be notified anytime we post something, which is when we do a video, which is when we get something on the lot, which is pretty often. So y'all, as always, thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.